Hey guys, this is another unboxing video. I am here to give you my honest review on this because I've seen this on my For You page. Everybody talking about it, okay? And I'm like, okay, Ethel, why not just buy it and give your own unadulterated review? Because it is not a marketing promotion. You can't see the link here, do you? So there's no link for you to click and buy. No, I'm here. I bought it so as to save your Ike. Okay? So without further ado, they've been saying how punchy the fragrance is, how everlasting it stays on your body. If Falco. One day, I love the. Oh God, I beg. Hold on, guys. All right, I don't know. See how it is. It came with what is this? It came with I think the perfume tester. Yeah, it says here sample, not for sale. So it came with this tester, and this is the oil. I love oil oil fragrance, oil perfume. How now they take talk I don't know. I love oil perfumes, all right. I have the ones I do I buy as refills. Those ones Arabian perfumes of those ones in the hey God, those ones they smell like heaven, and I do buy them. Not quite expensive actually. Small like this I buy for £20. Okay, hold on. So guys, you see what I'm talking about? This is an oil perfume. Omo, hey, God, Albego. I am obsessed. Do you know how many people have converted into using this? And it's a refill, oh. It's a refill. Like, I've used this for more than 2 months now. Like, and it's still there. One drop like this. You pianya like this. One drop. Pyong pyong. Everybody will just be turning kiki kiki to see what, like, who is this edible walkie talkie? Who is this edible human being walking across? You get? Because I so much love to smell nice. I love perfumes. I love not just any perfume, not just any perfume. I love good colognes, good oil perfumes. I love them like tomorrow no day. So when I saw this, I got attracted to it. I got attracted to number one, the packaging, the bottle. Oh my God, this looks like an artifact. Like, this is so beautiful, guys. What do you think about it? Like, packaging, bottling, you can't compare this to this. Of course, this is a refill, you get? This got me. Guys, this got me. And I'm like, okay, since they say that this thing smells like heaven, like you smell edible and stuff like that, and the the fragrance lasts so long on you. I was like, okay, why not buy it and give your own honest review? So, guys, I am here to give my honest review to know if I'm gonna like drop this and start using this. Cause this is £25 actually, but because I introduced another friend and I'm buying two of it, so they sold the two for £40 instead of £50. So we paid £20 each. But if I'm buying one like this, it's £25. Yes. So, and you can imagine this. This is voluminous. So if this smells better, I might as well drop this one because to me now this is looking expensive. This is looking like it's not worth it, but duh, it is worth it. So I don't want to waste much time, guys. Let me just go straight to the point and spray this. No, not spray, drop this. What's the name again? I know they know the name of this. I beg, I don't know the name. Maybe you know the bottle. I'm going to write the name on this video. Alright? Once I'm done, I'm dropping the name. I'm not ready to bite my tongue for anything. Maybe they say this thing like this. That is the perfume, guys. That's the perfume. So don't expect me to start biting my tongue on this. Okay, number one thing here is that it doesn't have this kind of suction Let me show you. This kind of suction ahead where you can just suck it in, then drop it. You see how it's dropping? You see how it's dropping? So let me just quickly close this one so it doesn't interfere with what I want to do. Now, so it doesn't have it. I can't do it like that. I can just get it like this and just swipe it on my body. Okay, what I can say before using this is that I don't find this thing hygienic because you can imagine a situation whereby you are outside, your body has already trapped dust, right? Or maybe somebody says, "Oh, they're saying, oh, can I try this on?" And then you swipe it on the person's body, and then you still put it back here again. You're not supposed to swipe this on your body and still put it back. Let alone when a friend is asking you, "Oh, can I try this?" Then you swipe it on that person's body. This is number one, a no-no for me, okay? Hygienically, it is not hygienic, but that's, by the way, that's not the purpose for this video, guys. So let me just dive straight in and try the fragrance. All right, here. Let me leave it to settling a bit, okay? Well, you can't even compare. It's not bad, it's subtle. It has a little of sweet taste, but it's very subtle, like very, very subtle sweet taste. I don't even think that somebody sitting next to you. It's so subtle. It's very subtle. I don't know how I feel about this, really. I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. It's subtle. It's Is it worth the hype? No. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would I say how punchy the fragrance is? I'll give it a 4 over 10. I'll give it a 4 over 10, guys. Is this something I would like to wear all the time? Maybe if I want to, maybe if I want to go to the mall, if I want to stroll to the mall, stroll down to the mall to get some groceries, I might like put some drops, here. But yeah, that's it. I can't compare. I can actually compare it with this refill. I can't compare it with this refill, guys. So, is it worth the hype? I don't know about you. I'm just telling you my honest opinion, about it. Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's 4 for me. It's 4 for me. And yeah, it's just 4 for me. About this, I feel the, the perfume is better, a bit better. No, no, no. It doesn't like, it's just 4 out of 10 for me, please.